Hey guys, Matchstick over here. Today we're changing spark plugs on this, what year?
2007.
2007 Hummer H3 with the inline 5. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, actually we don't need to disconnect this. Let's see, we gotta unscrew that, unscrew this. Yeah, I remember doing this before. I don't remember when, but I remember that I've done it before. So yeah, this air box gotta come out, and it's held by a 10mm over there. I gotta disconnect this as well. Let me stand up over here. Just break it a little bit. Cool. Now let's see what's holding this. There's a 10. 10 over here, and that's it, I guess. Went ahead and got my impact, an extension swivel, and a 10mm. Go ahead and get up over here. We have this one as well. Cool. Oh, accidentally missed this one. Great. Okay, here we go. Just put this to the side, so I'm gonna have to remove this either way. Then we're gonna go ahead and unscrew this. Cool, go ahead and put it right here. All right, so we have 5 coils. I'm gonna go ahead and, well, I'm just gonna disconnect them first. Oh, well, I guess it does pop right out, but you can just pop it back in. Same thing over here. Don't overdo it, just a little bit.
Hi, buddy. Yeah.
So this was connected to the intake resonator. Here we go. I just gotta move. I guess they're not fully out. And all right there. And I'm gonna cut it. Oops. There's one left right here. Let's see, I got it. I think there's a bolt that's holding it right here. Gotta get access to it. So there was just a couple clips over here that hold this harness to the cover, but I went ahead and I took it off, just pried it off with this pry bar, and then I can get access to the 10mm down there. Cool. This right here. Take this out, put it right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the spark plugs. Okay, so you need a 16mm socket and an extension to remove the spark plugs. I'm gonna get a magnet and remove all of them. All right, got my magnet. Oops. This one's gonna be a little annoying. Here we go. Cool. Where's the new ones? Right here?
Yeah.
Did you get iridium or? Okay. IC Delco is not bad. I don't know if this is iridium or not. Yeah, it's not telling me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those down the same way. Cool. They usually come pre-gapped. Cool. Okay, I didn't put in this one. Yeah, that's 3. Go ahead and this one for some reason is not going in, but just do the other one. This one. Always tighten it by hand first, and then with the torque wrench. Why are they doing that? It's like they don't even want to go in. This one wants to go in. So if they're doing this with you, you can go ahead and grab the same magnet and then try to align them. There we go. Cool. Oops. Cool, that's it. I'm gonna line this one. A bit annoying. Oh, here we go. Alright, this one is good. Go 0.5 so you guys can see more. Okay, so the torque spec for these spark plugs is 14.5 foot-pounds right here. Damn, that's very low. Okay, I kind of don't like this torque spec. It feels like it's very, very little. I'm just gonna put, let's see, 16 foot-pounds. Oh wait, yeah. Hold up. Let's see. 16 foot-pounds. I think I had it at the wrong torque spec before. Here we go. Now we're at the correct one. I'm gonna put it at 10. Right here, 4.5. There we go. Now we're at 14.5. Here we go. Clicking. Cool. Oops. Cool. Cool. They all clicked. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our coil packs back. Like this one. Put this one back where it's supposed to be at. Lift this up. Great. That 5th cylinder, you're gonna have to climb on the car. Go ahead and get this. You're gonna have to run this with your hand. Cool. Let's plug them back. Lock. 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 That was already locked. Lock. Lock. Cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this box back. Don't forget this pipe that goes on here. It goes on here. I don't know if I can show you on camera. Oops. I'll drop these stupid bolts. Go ahead and connect it. Okay, that's the PCV valve. It's already back in. There we go. Alright, gotta put this on this first. Go ahead and put that in there. Put this one in here. They're not in there. Cool. Go ahead and tighten this. Cool. Go ahead and put this back. Put this on the ground. Here we go. Here you guys have it. Change the spark plugs. Everything's torqued to spec. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.